you can go to the surface. And you search auto. That. I don't know if I'm typing. I don't know if it was like auto or fast. Fast mouse. I think it was this. That's it. I think it was fast. Yeah, I think it was. That's not. Why is it taking so long? It's supposed to take not that long. Not 2 minutes. Yeah, I think, yes. Fast master. It shows. Isn't it? Shows me. And then after this, it's right here. Down. Down. And this way. Doesn't work back in this one. Yes, you can see. Okay, I don't know why, but it's not down. So when you click this, it's gonna say run. So you click run. And then you just wait, and it's gonna go down. And then when it downloads, you see what you can see. Yes. So when you do all that, and this one down here. So that much. Yes, and I can put it in here. And it says left, you should put on left and toggle. You put toggle. And see, like, you can't auto click it. Sorry, you can't auto click it, but no. Good. Okay. Then if you select the key F, it doesn't matter. Or just press the key F. I didn't like it. And that's all. So you put this on left, this on toggle, and 2, and 150. And clicks that one. Yeah, it shows how much that. And yeah. Bye. I'll see you in the next video. And also sorry for not uploading. I'm running out of ideas.